So how do you know when your car's bump stop is going bad or it needs to be changed? So here are some signs and symptoms of a bad or damaged bump stops. A damaged bump stops are usually your car sounding bad when going over bump speed or potholes. It can also be accompanied by the cars leaning to one side. It can be bad absorptions when you're going over bumps. The car might be more jumpier than it used to be. Or in my case, my truck is swaying to one side and feels jumpier. In addition, you may feel a jolt from the steering wheel when going over bumps or curbs and hear a knocking noise from the struts or shocks. So what causes this? Well, most of the time, bump stop will crack due to age or exposed to the elements such as dirt, rain, and oils on the road. In my case, the bump stop cushions are getting old and deteriorated, as you can see here. So how do I fix mine? Now let me show you how I change these bump stops cushions on this Avalanche truck. This process are similar to many cars and trucks. First, loosen the lug nuts while the car is still on the ground. Next, jack the car and take out the lug nuts. And there it is, the damaged bump stop cushion. As you can see, it's all crusty and damaged. So to take it out, using a pry tool or a flathead, just tuck it in, up like this, and then pry it out. There are a couple of grooves or dents around the middle frames here that are holding the cushions in. So you might want to go around and gently pry it out. And there it is. See these grooves right here? There are around 5 or 6 of them that are holding the cushion in. Now to put the new one in, first insert it at an angle, then using the pry tool to push the other end up, as you can see here. Once it's in, do a little pull and wiggle test to see if it's in that tight. Now that's it for the back. Put back your tire and you're done. The front is similar process. As you can see here, I'm using a regular flathead to remove the cushion. Now compare the new one with the old one, making sure they are the same. They are the same. It looks good. So to put it back on, aim it at an angle so that one side goes in first. Then using your flat, push the other side in. That's it. Put back your tires and you're done. By the way, if you're thinking, why using a flathead? Aren't you gonna puncture it? Trust me, this stuff is pretty tough. As you can see here, I'm trying to puncture it and it won't do anything to it. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and it helps you, check out my other videos here.